All right, so let's take a look at this problem. So it says, which of these tables shown the same rate of change in y respect to x as y is equal to negative 4 over 5x plus 3? So basically what this is asking you, I know it's kind of wordy, it is asking you which of these tables match this equation. Well, the only way I know how to solve for this is to plug in an x value and see if it gives me the same result back in my table. So in this case, to work more diligently, I want to actually grab an x value that both of these tables have. So I want to look through. I notice that both of these tables have 0 in common. So I'm going to be plugging in 0 into my equation. I know anything times 0 is going to give me 0 back. I'm going to drop this plus 3. So now I have 0 plus 3, which gives me 3. So I know if my input is 0 into this equation, my output is 3. I want to see which of my tables has the output of 3. So I have 2 and I have 3. Well, this is the answer I am looking for, not this one. So I know table 3 is actually the table that represents this equation. To recap, what I did is that I looked at what each table had in common. That way I know what I could plug into the equation, see the outcome of it. And then I compared their outcomes, aka their y value, and I chose the table that gave me the same output as when I put it into the equation. Let's look at one more. Now we have this equation right here. Y is equal to 6 minus 3 divided by 4x. Well, I'm going to grab something that they both have in common. I notice that they have 1 in common. So I'm going to plug in 1 into my equation and see what is my outcome. I usually will tell you I don't want fractions. However, if the table gives you decimals, then you can use decimals also. So I want to put this into my calculator. Negative 3 divided by 4 times 1. I'm going to put that into a decimal, and I know it's going to give me negative 75 back. I'm going to drop this 6 down. Now I have 6 minus 0.75, which will give me 5.25 back. So I know my y value has to have this as their output in order for it to be correct. I look at both of these answers. I see table B is my answer.